Hello. In this video, we want to let f of x equal x squared minus x, and we want to find the derivative. Then we want to find f prime of negative 2. Okay, so let's find the derivative first. To do that, we need to figure out what is f prime of x. Well, by definition that we saw earlier, this is the limit as h goes to 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x, and then all over h. Notice that we just don't know what x is going to be here, so we just we keep x as x. If we already knew that if we didn't have this and we just wanted f prime of negative 2, we could replace the x with negative 2 and be done with it immediately. But we don't know, so we're going to keep going, or we actually want that, so we just keep going. That means we need to figure out what is f of x plus h. So we go back to the f function and all the x's become x plus h, everything in here. So this is going to give us x plus h squared minus x plus h. Square the x plus h, that gives us x squared plus 2xh plus h squared, and then distribute the negative, gives us negative x minus h. Good. Now that we know that, replace all of this with f of x plus h. So this is going to give us the limit as h goes to 0 of x squared plus 2xh plus h squared, and then minus x minus h. All of that is just the f of x plus h. Now we need to subtract off the original x squared minus x. Now the entire thing we need to subtract off, not just the x squared. Now the reason that we need to do that is because now this is telling me, let's use a different color here, let's use red. This is telling me that the x squareds here and here will cancel, and the negative x's here and here will cancel. So they're gone. So this is giving me the limit as h approaches 0 of 2xh plus h squared minus h. Then all over h. Now, notice that there is a common factor of h in the numerator, just like normal. So this is going to give us the limit as h goes to 0 of h times 2x plus h, and then don't forget the minus 1 at the end. It's very easy for people to forget this term here. A lot of people do. And then all over h. And again, the h's cancel each other, so you're simply left with the limit as h goes to 0 of 2x plus h minus 1. And then plug in 0 for h. When you do that, that leaves you with 2x minus 1 because the h goes away. And this is the derivative. Excellent. That is what we wanted to figure out. Now we want to figure out f of negative 2. And let's do that in pink. So f prime of negative 2 is 2 times negative 2 minus 1. And then just simplify. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Negative 4 minus 1 is negative 5. So f prime of negative 2 is negative 5. Awesome. One more thing. Notice that if you have a polynomial here, the degree of the polynomial is 2, the degree of the derivative is 1. So if you have a polynomial degree, or if you have a polynomial, its degree is 1 more than its derivative's degree. And that's always going to be the same. And you'll see more about why that happens in chapter 12. Alrighty. Well, I believe that's it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and end it here, and I will see you in the next one. Have fun.